My name's Nick Jett. I'm from Running Wild Apiaries, and we're the producers of the Comb Assistant. The Comb Assistant was developed because we wanted to do truly foundationless comb. We're from Georgia. It gets hot, so foundationless really does get a little risky. We developed this project to give the bees more structure to connect the comb honey to. And one of the nice side effects of that is it allows the beekeeper to harvest on demand as the comb is ready. So say they start in one spot, they spread out. This spot may get filled out before the rest of them, getting capped up and they're ready to harvest. You can go into your bee yard, take a knife with you in a container, cut that particular piece out, put it in your container, close up your container, and put this right back into the hive for the bees to continue working on. So if they're still working on the rest of it, you haven't disturbed them from working on the rest of it. So that's kind of the happy accident that comes with this. And one more advantage to our system is that it does not require you to run an entire super. Unlike a lot of other systems, you can run just one frame or you can run up to half a super, but the investment is very small. That was a big reason we did this, is we did not want to run an entire super. That's a lot of work for the bees. The other reason we did this is because we wanted to keep it cheap and easy for everybody. So you can run as few as one in a box, or you can run up to half a super. It's up to you, but it's very little investment for somebody to actually try doing cut comb honey without the risk of it falling out of the frame. So we do offer this in mediums and deeps. The deeps are designed to fit into standard 4x4 1-pound comb containers, cut comb containers, whether it's the fancy ones or the clamshell style. The mediums obviously come in medium shape. They're a little bit taller. So what our customers have told us in the past is that they will trim it to fit into the container, and they'll leave this top strip as a starter strip. The other thing that people tell us they like about the medium size is they will take the entire piece out, split it down the middle, and it's perfect for chunk honey. It fits right in the jar. We have an unassembled pack, so this is the way it comes right now. It's a flat pack, unassembled pack, where you assemble this, you provide the frame, and you put this into your own frame. So you would lay this out on a flat surface, and we have instructions in the QR code. You would follow the instructions, lay it out on a flat surface, and then you take your frame, put it over top of what you built there, and slide it in. And once you get in place, these slots right here line up with the grooves where the foundation would normally go, and these wedges go in place of that and hold everything in place. There's no glue or special tools required. It is intended to cut out the comb honey, and it's not really intended to come back out. It is possible to come back out if you wanted to reclaim the frame, but it's not what we recommend. There's two pieces that we recommend, two pieces of information we want to pass on to each customer, and that is we highly recommend waxing the top of each section all the way around, and that's only to encourage the bees to draw out the comb. The other thing we tell people is don't put them next together. You don't want to run an entire super of these. You want to checkerboard them with something with foundation, preferably drawn comb, but that's not necessary. So checkerboard them with foundation frame. Otherwise, you're going to end up with wonky comb and cross comb between the two open sections. Kits are $5.99 for mediums, $7.99 for deeps. That's our normal retail price. You can find it on our website with the instructions and everything that you need to know about it. And we try to keep our shipping as reasonable as possible. So we are at www.runningwildapiaries.com.